Is your Dota 4 scheme looking blurry or not filling your screen properly? Learn how to adjust the resolution settings for a crisp, perfectly scaled visual experience. Changing the resolution in Delta Force is one of the most fundamental graphic settings you can adjust, directly impacting both visual clarity and performance. This is particularly important for ensuring the game looks sharp on your monitor and runs smoothly. So, from the in-game menu, first go to Settings. There, look for the Graphics tab. Under Display Settings, you should be able to find an option labeled Resolution. It'll be on Auto by default. Click on the drop-down menu and select the resolution required. Once you have, click on the Apply button in the bottom right corner. After doing that, you might have to confirm settings real quick. If you don't, the resolution will go back to what it was before you changed it. But that's more or less it.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!